Spring is when the flowers bloom, and so should you. Hi, I'm Pooja. I'm a freelance makeup artist, and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial as to how you can have fun with colors during springtime. So let's get started. So in today's look, I'm going to be showing you how you can have fun with colors. I'm going to be doing a little pop of blue on my eyes, a little flush of peach orange on my cheeks, and coral on my lips. The first step for a flawless makeup is to apply a primer which makes the skin very smooth and plus makes your makeup stay very long. The one that I'm using today is the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Primer. I'm going to be taking some and applying it on my entire face and neck area. It's a very translucent base which helps in minimizing the appearance of the pores also on your face. Next, I'm going to apply this foundation which has argan oil from Lakme. Since I have a dry skin, this helps in hydrating my skin very well. I've just taken some on my plate and I'm using a Real Technique buffing brush which I will be using in circular motions all over my face. Taking it all the way down to my neck area. Just taking some on my brush and then swiping it over my eyelids. I'm now using the LA Girl Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder and I'm going to be setting my entire face with this. I'm using this powder brush from Faces Canada and I'm going to be applying this loose powder all over my face. Now using this Master Flush Creator from Maybelline, and I'm going to be using some of this in my crease line. I'm using the eyeshadow brush from Faces Canada and I'm just going to be softly sweeping it in my crease line. I'm now using a strobe highlighter in the shade of Radiant Lights. With my eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to be highlighting the inner corner. Now I'm going to be using this royal blue eyeliner from Lakme Iconic on my upper and lower lash line. Next, I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush and dip it in this beautiful blue color from the Makeup Revolution palette, Fortune Favors the Brave, and I'm just going to smudge it over my liner. I am now using an eyelash curler from Gub and I'm going to be curling my lashes. Next, I'm using this Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. It helps in creating a lot of volume in your eyelashes. I'm going to be applying this in a zigzag motion. I am pretty happy with this volume. In case you need more, you can wait for another 10 minutes and do a second coat of mascara. Next, I'm using a Maybelline Master Flush Creator. I'm going to use my brush and just flush it across my cheeks. Since I'm not using a contour in today's video tutorial, so I'm going to go a little stronger with this blush. This is something similar to giving a drape blush look to the face. Now I'm going to be completing this look by using my favorite lip color from Maybelline in the color Versatile. This is a coral color lip which is going to complement your blue eyes very well. Even though this is a matte lipstick, but it is super hydrating. That's why I really like this one. Now finishing this look by using a Pro Setting Spray from LA Girl. This is something which is going to make your makeup stay longer, so definitely add a fixing spray to the end of your makeup. I hope you're not going to shy away using colors this spring season. For more such content, log on to Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.